Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Jack and Emma English Podcast. Today's lesson is very useful for daily life. We are going to practice how to talk about your week in simple English.
Hi everyone. Yes, this is a great topic for beginners. Many people want to talk about their week but don't know what to say or how to start. Today, we will show you easy sentences you can use every day.
That's right. Please listen carefully and repeat after us. You can also pause the video and practice speaking out loud. Now, let's begin.
Emma, when someone asks you, "How was your week?" what do you usually say?
I usually start with a simple answer. For example, I say, "My week was good," or "My week was busy."
Yes, that's a great start. Simple sentences are very important for beginners.
Exactly. You don't need long or difficult sentences. Clear and simple English is best.
Emma, how was your week at work?
My week was busy but good. I worked from Monday to Friday. I had many meetings and I answered many emails.
That sounds busy. Did you enjoy your work this week?
Yes, I did. I like my job, even when I am busy. I learned something new this week, and that made me happy.
That's nice. Learners, you can say, "My week was busy. I worked a lot. I studied a lot."
Yes, and if you are a student, you can say, "I studied English," or "I had exams this week."
Emma, did you study English this week?
Yes, I did. I practiced English every day. I listened to podcasts, watched videos, and practiced speaking.
That's great. You can say, "I practiced English this week," or "I studied English for 30 minutes every day."
Small practice every day is very good for learning English.
Emma, what did you do after work this week?
After work, I usually went home, cooked dinner, and relaxed. Some days I watched TV, other days I read a book.
That sounds relaxing. I think many people have a similar routine.
Yes, learners can say, "After work, I relaxed," or "I stayed at home."
You can also talk about your family. For example, "I spent time with my family," or "I had dinner with my family."
Jack, how was your weekend?
My weekend was very nice. On Saturday, I met my friends. We talked, laughed, and drank coffee together.
That sounds fun. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed at home. I cleaned my house and prepared for the next week.
That's a good balance. You can say, "My weekend was relaxing," or "My weekend was fun."
Yes, you can also say, "I went out," or "I stayed at home."
Jack, how did you feel this week?
I felt tired on some days, but overall, I felt happy. I was busy, but I enjoyed my week.
That's important. Talking about feelings makes your English more natural.
Learners can say, "I felt happy," "I felt tired," or "I felt stressed."
Yes, simple feeling words are very useful. Emma, let's do a short practice conversation for our listeners.
Okay, you ask me first.
Okay. Jack, how was your week?
My week was good. I worked from Monday to Friday, and I studied English in the evening.
That's great. How was your weekend?
My weekend was relaxing. I stayed at home and rested.
Perfect. Very clear and simple.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. Just try to speak.
Yes, start with short sentences and slowly add more details.
You can practice every day by talking about your week, even if you talk to yourself.
That's a great tip. Speaking out loud helps a lot. That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you for listening and practicing with us.
We hope this lesson helps you talk about your week in English with confidence.
Please listen again, repeat the sentences, and practice every day.
See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing English.
Bye-bye.